This puzzle may look quite difficult at first because there are so many pieces, and you can see they are quite locked together, and it's going to be difficult to figure out how to remove them. But if you just break it down into 8 simple movements and figure out how to orientate these pieces, separating all these pieces will become quite easy. This is the Celestial Cipher puzzle, and the goal is to figure out how to remove the pieces from one another. It is the level 9 difficulty on a scale that runs from 5 to 10, and if you want to get the Celestial Cipher puzzle for yourself, go get it at puzzlemaster.ca. Now we want to start with the pieces like this, where they have one of the gold pieces have a cut facing up, and the rest of these gold pieces have the cuts facing down. First move is just to separate these two pieces. Next, we're going to slide this first gold piece in from the left to the center. Then we can take this other gold piece on the right and slide it into the center as well. Once we have them both in the center, we can shift this piece up over those pieces. Next, take this piece and push it up. Some of these pieces might be tight moving at first, but once you solve it a couple times, it'll solve that problem. We don't want to push it up all the way to the top. We want to push it up just enough so that we can slide this piece in the center here down to the bottom. Once we have it to this position here, we still can't remove the gold bar fully from this gold C. So we actually have to move this piece to the right and shift this piece back down so the gold bar can fall out of the C. And finally, the first piece can come out of the puzzle. Now at this point here, the puzzle is still locked together. That is because we have to shift it so that these silver pieces are lined up together. Then we can shift this gold C over here and finally remove the first half of the puzzle. Then it's quite simple to remove the rest of the pieces. We'll take this piece off over here, and we can remove the gold C from here. Take this gold C, shift it up and remove it from the puzzle. Then we can slide these pieces over here, remove this piece, and finally remove the last 2 gold pieces. Now the difficult part will be figuring out how all of these pieces go back together to build this Celestial Cipher puzzle. To get the Celestial Cipher puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.